Hey there, music enthusiasts. Welcome to an exciting adventure into the world of artificial intelligence in music. Today, we're going to learn how to make AI cover songs. Yes, you heard it right. AI-powered covers that will blow your mind. So, grab your headphones and buckle up for an unforgettable journey of music and technology. Let's get started. To get started, the first thing we will need is the song we want to use as the cover. Just head over to whatever platform to download your audio in MP3 format. I'll advise that you pick a song that is not too complicated. This means a song that is not too crowded or with multiple vocals. This is so you can get a better result. I will be using the song, Good Life, by G-Eazy and Kehlani, which was used as one of the theme songs in Fast and Furious. I love both the movie and the song. That was indeed a masterpiece. Once you are done with this step, head on to your browser and search for X-Pro. Click on it and we are ready to roll. Once you are on the platform, there are tons of things there that could interest you. But, hey, feel free to explore as much as you want. For the purpose of this video, all we will be doing is heading straight to the box where we have to drag and drop our file. The purpose of this platform is so we can split the vocals and instruments of our audio into separate files. This will enable us have a separate file for the vocals and another for the instruments. It's a very good way to remix songs if you're a sound producer or a DJ. Once you have uploaded your file, it should take few seconds to process. Once it's done, you should see two boxes showing download instrumentals and download vocals. Go ahead and download the two. In my experience so far, working with this AI software, I think it works pretty amazing. And the splitting of sounds are near perfect if you would ask me. Alright, moving on. Once this is complete, the next step is to change the voice to whatever you want. And to do this, go to your browser, type in Music FY, click on the first link displayed. You can sign up, go to the parody vocals. Now, drag and drop or upload the vocal you downloaded. Note that, you are to upload only the voice here without instrument. I guess now you see why we needed the first AI to do its magic. It should take few seconds. Once this is done, head on to the output part on the screen. Go to select an artist. Click on any artist. I am going for Lisa Simpson. Click on it. Then you click on Remix. You can pick any artist you want. In few seconds it should be ready. You can listen to it. Right at the end of the playback, you will see the download option. Download your audio and then we move to the last stage. To the last stage, go to any audio editing software of your choice. For me, I'll be using Adobe Audition. Drag and drop your new vocal and instrument into it. Give it an edit of your choosing and you can export your audio. And that's how you create an AI music cover. Hope you enjoyed this video. To get more engaging contents like this, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks. Till next time, keep creating.